Hello everyone. Today we are gonna learn how to create a dynamic chart which will change with a few clicks or even a single input. Here I have given you an index, one for sale, two for expenses and three for profit. So see, if I put one here, one and enter, my chart changes for sale. If I put two, my chart changes for expenses. Even if so, we will learn how to create this one. Now first understand how a chart is created. See, let me delete this. Sorry. Now, see, to create a chart, just go to the data, select it, go to insert tab. Under you can choose any chart you want. I am choosing clustered column. So see, a chart is created, but this include all the data for laptop, sale, expense, profit, sale, expense, profit, sale, expense, profit. If you want to create chart for a single column, then simply select that column, go to insert tab, clustered column. If you want the chart for product and their expenses, then go select these and insert chart. See, I can create any number of chart, but this is not dynamic. I have to every time I have to create a new chart, I have to select new data. So that's what we are gonna learn today. So see, the chart is made of this data, but this data, we have to create a dynamic data that will change and the chart automatically get changed. So I have created a data which is hidden behind the chart. So see, the chart is actually prepared out of this data. Whenever I select one here, the data here changes and accordingly the chart. So now let's understand how this data is created. So let's how to create a dynamic table. So here the product column remain the same because we want the dynamic value field, not the product. Product remain the same. So let me highlight this cell because from this cell I will be given the input to change the data. So now here we will use a formula called choose CHOOSE. Let's understand what this formula is. It will ask you for the index number, value 1 and value 2. Index number is nothing just 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just give the cell reference number that from which he will be taking the input. That which I have highlighted here is this cell. So if you here 1, 2, 3. If you put the value 1, then what is the value you required to show? If you put the value 2, what is the value you are required to show and so on. So let's create the type table. I am giving the cell reference number to this, comma. What is the value 1 you are required? If I put value 1, then I want sales. If I put value 2, I want expenses. If I put value 3, I want profit. Bracket close and enter. But right now it's giving value because here nothing has selected. Just click 1 and see sale has given done. Just copy the formula to the entire one. Here every cell got an error because when as soon as I copy the formula, the relative reference shifted to the next cell. So I have to fix this cell reference. Go to sale, either click F2 or double click. Select the first cell index number reference. Press F4 here. This will fix the cell. Now you can copy the formula. See, now my dynamic table has been created. If I put 2, we will got the data for expenses. If 3, got the data for profit. Now simply select this data, go to insert and create a chart. Now see, if I put 1 here, my data changes as well as my chart. 2, my data and chart both changes. So this is how you will create a dynamic chart. If you like the video, do subscribe for more such informative content. Thank you.